Hey everyone, welcome back to 9 Pro Tech. Today we're diving into the latest budget-friendly 5G smartphone that's making waves, the Realme C75 5G. Let's explore what this device has to offer, bringing impressive features at an affordable price point. Starting with the display, the C75 5G boasts a 6.67-inch IPS LCD screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 620 nits, ensuring smooth visuals and clarity even under bright sunlight. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, coupled with options of 4 GB or 6 GB RAM and 64 GB or 128 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD-XC. For photography enthusiasts, the device features a 32-megapixel main rear camera and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, both capable of recording 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Battery life is a strong suit here, with a massive 6,000 mAh battery supporting 45-watt wired charging and 5-watt reverse wired charging, keeping you powered throughout the day. In terms of durability, the Realme C75 5G is IP64 rated for dust and water resistance and is drop-resistant up to 2 meters, making it a reliable companion for everyday use. That's all for today's overview of the Realme C75 5G. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.